Come on, Dev.
Hey, as you can see here, kids, Ace is hacking. Little bitch.
I'm hacking,
You don't say.
just not onto
You guys do understand
Nova.
I'm recording right now.
Nova doesn't care.
And
Is
look at
that Aura? Shoot.
look at Hostile with that skill. God, Ace. You're so fucking ugly.
How do you know?
God, just his name.
Excuse me, Ace.
God, Ace. You can dick for someone without...
Anti-knockback right there. Look at this. Look.
Ace, you can dick by someone without a helmet. Let's watch Ace's health. I bet you it won't go down. Oh yeah, Dev, look at that. Look at Dev. Damn, Dev, you're pretty sexy right there. What?
I don't know.
Hey, it's okay. Oh, look at Ace trying to glitch out of the map. Using glitches to his advantage.
Oh, I found a glitch with the
Using
spectator mode. If you
What?
spectate somebody, and then you go outside of the arena, there's a little hole, and you can fall into the void, right?
Yeah.
And then you can you're in spectator, right? And then it'll take you back to spawn, but you're still in spectating mode.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
So people can't hit you?
No, I think people can hit you. But, or
I'm
maybe
still
you're just
recording. I'm
invisible.
still recording, so.
Yeah, just got that out.
Now I'm gonna keep
This
it
is
in.
What?
too fun.
Guys,
This is too much fun.
Don't tell anything about glitches and stuff. I'm kind of recording, dude.
Me?
Yeah.
Wait, are you recording voices?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, but just cut it out.
I can't.
He can't.
I don't have my software.
Oh.
Hey, Ace. He is still getting destroyed.
But I don't know. It just you're stuck in spectator mode. You can't do anything. So.
Ace, nice anti-knockback.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got enough
Shoot.
proof.